All right, everyone, it's just about that time. Time for more competitions. We're about to start our 4K intro compo. 4 kilobytes for the people. Don't forget, make a record of the scores. One is lowest, 5 is highest, and vote at the end. First up, we're going to have the Royal Belgian Beer Squadron, the RBBS, with Transmission with a 4 for the A. See what they did there. Entry number 1 from the legendary Royal Belgian Beer Squadron. That's Transmission. Moving on now to Delysid. 10 years. Happy anniversary, Delysid, our dear friends. We love and appreciate all of you. Thank you, Scene. We appreciate you too. Here's entry number 2. Delysid, 10 years. That was entry number 2. Coming up next, number 3, Slipstream, UK group. Raccoons, In Search of Footwear. A little Petsky scroll to send our love. All right. A lovely Petsky-based 4K there from Slipstream. Really warms my heart to see that. New to the C64 scene, I think. So, yeah, tremendous. Thank you for your release here. MCM, there's a familiar name. He's a very talented coder with ANON here. Entry number 4. Rock solid 4K there. MCM of Onslaught. ANON. Moving on, we got XS. Twilight of XS with this 4K. 4K transmission. Very colourful stuff there from XS, our friends in XS. 4K transmission. Thank you, Twilight, for submitting that one. Gotta keep moving, and daah! Those Berliner Pilsner from Dentifrice. Entry number 6, daah! Those Berliner Pilsner. Dentifrice. Toothpaste. Daah, those Berliner Pilsner, entry number 6. Cool scroller there. You know how I feel about scrollers. And here we have Dwangi of Fairlight. Okay, Dwangi's pretty hot with these 4Ks. I'm a fan of his work in this medium. Here he is with Outsider for our 7th entry. All right, Dwangi of Fairlight, thank you very much for sending that. Outsider, kind of a dentro there, really, crammed into 4K. You love to see it. And that's it. That's it for the 4K intro compo. So, once again, thank you everyone for submitting. Very, very entertaining releases. A lot of variety in there. We're going to take 5 minutes, and then we're going to get into our final competition, the all-important demo compo. So, see you in 5 minutes.